Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's learn. Today in this video I'd like to show you how to solve the problem with Open VPN. Your corporate Open VPN is already connected, but still you cannot access your organization network or applications. Before we begin, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. To solve this problem, go to run and type ncpa.cpl. Now right click on the tap Ethernet adapter and click Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, go to Advanced and change the interface matrix. By default, it is automatic. Give the interface metric of 1. Then click OK. Click OK. Make similar changes to your Wi-Fi adapter or wire adapter, whichever is connected, and change the interface matrix to 2 or more than 2. Finally, connect to your Open VPN and open your corporate application.